As long as it's not too annoying.
No, it's not annoying.
What's it called?
Blue, I don't know what happened. Blue, I think the power went out. Blue, I don't know. I can't turn it back on. The remote doesn't work. Bluey's done for the night. Blue, I just called the network. They're not coming back on until 10 tomorrow. I know, that's what they said. You can file a complaint with them. I can't help you. Blue, you've been watching. Blue, you've been watching for 4 hours. I think you hit your max. They called me. They said.